Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prajwal from Indie Crypto, and inside today's video I'll take you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to trade crypto with BitBNS.com. Now in a previous video I took you through the pros and cons of BitBNS and also through the registration and KYC procedure that you have to go through to get your account set up with BitBNS. Now, if you have not checked out that video, I highly recommend you check that out before proceeding with this one. You can find the link for that video in the description below. Now, once you have your KYC verified and your bank link completed, which will hardly take a few minutes, and once you come back and log into BitBNS.com, it will bring you to this page, which is the trade page, which is a neatly done page. I'll quickly take you through a tour of the interface of BitBNS. So you can see all the crypto coins on the top which are currently listed on BitBNS, and once you go ahead and click on each crypto, it will give you the corresponding information and data of that particular crypto. Now I'll come back to the information and take you to the tour of all this information once I come back and show you how to trade crypto with BitBNS. But let me quickly take you through the wallet section first, which is on the top right hand corner of your BitBNS account page. So once you click on wallets, you will get the wallets of all the cryptos that's currently listed on BitBNS. So currently there's 6 coins listed on BitBNS, and you will get the corresponding data or corresponding balance of your crypto when you come here. Now as you can see, I have some balance in Ripple and some in Stellar at the moment. So it goes ahead and shows my balance and its current value according to the current price on BitBNS. And you can also see the total worth of my cryptocurrencies here. And you can also see your balance in INR on the top right hand side as well. Now if you scroll down, you can also see the withdrawal history of your crypto. You'd have to go ahead and just click on this drop down and select any particular crypto, and that will go ahead and show you the withdrawal history, the crypto withdrawals that you would go ahead and do it to either your private personal wallets, or you can directly transfer your crypto to other exchanges as well from here. Now below that you have something called as INR withdrawal request, or INR withdrawal history, I'm sorry. So where you can see your INR withdrawals history, whatever you've done to your linked bank account. And below that you can also see the trade history of all the cryptos. All you have to do is click on this drop down and select a particular crypto, and you will get all the trade history of that particular crypto listed here. Now if you have to go ahead and transfer the crypto from this wallet or from your BitBNS wallet to another exchange or your private personal wallet, all you have to do is click on this option which says send, and go ahead and paste or enter your address where you want to send the particular crypto. In this case I'm sending Ripple, so I'd have to enter my Ripple address here of my wallet. I'll go ahead and open my wallet and enter the whatever address I have here. Then in Ripple there is something called as destination tag, which is very important. You'll also get that in your wallet or on your exchange wherever you're transferring your Ripple to. You'd have to go ahead and enter that, and also the amount of Ripple that you're looking out to transfer. Now it quickly goes ahead and displays your balance here so that it's easy for you to enter how much ever cryptos or how much ever Ripple you want to transfer, and will also give you the transfer charges. So in this case the BitBNS charges 0.1 Ripple for withdrawal charges, and it'll give the entire breakup. And once you have confirmed that all these details are absolutely correct, only then go ahead and click on send. And once you click on send, the balance from your Ripple here will disappear, and it should be reflecting in your personal private wallet in say a few minutes. Okay, so that is how you basically go ahead and transfer crypto from your BitBNS account to your private wallets or to other exchanges as well. Now, what if you have to send Ripple from other exchanges or from your private wallet onto BitBNS account? So all you have to do in that case is click on this option which says receive, and that will display a QR code and also an address that you can send your Ripple to. Now if I'm sending from my private phone wallet, I can go ahead and open the wallet, and it will give me an option to go ahead and scan this QR code. Once I scan it, it will automatically take up this address. If you're transferring from another exchange, I can go ahead and copy paste this address to the exchange that I'm transferring the Ripple from, and also copy the tag. Tag is essentially very important only in the Ripple. In other cryptos, I've not come across tags in other cryptos. So if you're doing transactions in Ripple, please make sure you have the right tags, because it clearly states here that the transfer will not happen unless you add the tag. Okay, so also go through all the instructions here very clearly so that you will not lose your crypto during the transfer and you've taken all the necessary steps properly. Also, you have another option here which says a special option if you're transferring any kind of crypto from the ZepPay app. You'd have to just check this box, and you instantly saw how the QR code changed a little. So all you ZepPay users who are transferring Ripple from your ZepPay account to BitBNS, make sure you have this box checked. Okay, so that is basically how you transfer crypto from other exchange or from your phone private wallet onto your BitBNS account. Now if I have to go ahead and transfer funds into my BitBNS account, that is INR funds, so that I can trade some crypto here, you can go ahead and click on this option here, add money to wallet, or I can also go to this option which says deposit, that is right next to the wallets. So I'll go ahead and click on the deposit option. Once I click on that, I have three options to deposit funds into my BitBNS INR wallet. The first one is UPI, which stands for Unified Payment Interface, which is the apps that we use like Paytm, Beam, PhonePe, Tez, etc. And the other option is your normal bank transfer through NEFT or IMPS. This process usually takes 30 minutes to 1 hour, as it's mentioned by BitBNS itself. The other option is RTGS. Again, this process also takes somewhere around 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, so in this case, I would highly recommend you to try UPI method, because I've already tried it. It's instant, and it's very simple on how you can go ahead and do it. So in this case, I'll go ahead and use the Beam app to go ahead and transfer funds from my bank account into my BitBNS INR wallet. So once you have your Beam app open, or your Paytm app open, or your PhonePe app open, or Tez, any of the UPI apps you are comfortable with, go ahead and click on new transaction, or click on transfer funds. Once you click on that, you will get a few options like pay to an account number, or pay to a UPI ID, scan a QR code, or pay to a phone number. So in this case, you would have to go ahead and select the option which says pay to an account number. So once you select that on your UPI app, you will be given the details which is listed here on the screen at the moment. Okay, you'd have to go ahead and enter all these details on your UPI app: the bank account holder name, account number, IFSC code, and once you enter that and click on proceed, your UPI app will verify the information and will display by Hatke Internet Private Limited. That is what is displayed here on my UPI app. So I'll go ahead and transfer some funds to my BitBNS INR wallet and come back. So I've transferred some funds. I would also recommend you to go through the important steps that's been mentioned here, just in case you are through with this particular process. And in few cases, if the deposits are not listed in your INR wallet instantly, you can come back here and enter the UPI reference ID and click on claim deposit. So what this does is this will go ahead and notify BitBNS to go ahead and check for the UPI reference ID and see if it's a valid transaction, and then your funds will be credited to your BitBNS INR wallet. So I've already transferred the funds to my BitBNS INR wallet. Let me go ahead and check my wallet. So as you can see here, the balance is still not reflected here. So let me quickly go ahead and refresh this. So in this case, what I'll do is I'll go back to the deposit section and select UPI and go ahead and enter my reference ID, the UPI reference ID here, and click on claim deposit. There we have it. My balance is now reflecting in my INR wallet. Now this does happen in few cases where when you transfer funds, it doesn't get automatically credited to your INR wallet. In those cases, you can go ahead and enter your UPS reference ID and claim your deposit. So once I have the funds here, I will go ahead and go to Stellar. So I'll be going ahead and trading Stellar in this video. So once you click on any crypto, in this case I've clicked on Stellar, it will give you the corresponding information about that particular coin. As I mentioned, the graph, you can see the price graph of Stellar here. What's the trend? You can also change the duration as you want, and you'll also see the buy orders here on the bottom left, where you can see the people who are ready to buy buy the volumes of Stellar in what price. So here somebody is ready to buy 2.31 Stellar at 26 rupees for each Stellar. Same way, there is another buyer who's ready to buy 8,443 Stellars at a price of 25.56 rupees for each Stellar. Similarly, on the next to the buy orders, you can also see the sell orders, where you can see the volume of Stellar that a seller is ready to sell for the price. So in this case, a seller is ready to sell 109 Stellars at 26.11 rupees for each Stellar, and so on. Okay, and next to that you have the trade history, where you can see the volume of Stellar that's been traded at what price and at what time. So for example, here 24.57 Stellars has been traded at a price of 26.05 rupees for each Stellar at 3:41 a.m. Okay, so that's basically the information that you have here about the coins. Now on the right hand side, you have the buy and sell option, where you can go ahead and enter your trade. So now I have my balance here as 1,000 rupees and 43 paise. So if I have to go ahead and buy Stellar now, I'll go ahead and enter the amount that I have here, which is 1,000 rupees. So you can instantly see that the system automatically detected and calculated the volume based on the price that's already here. Now this price is automatically picked up from the sell orders, because there is a seller ready to sell Stellar at this price. So this will go ahead and suggest you that price so that the trade happens instantly. So if I go ahead and click on buy now, the trade will happen instantly, because there's already a matching seller ready to sell at the price I'm looking to buy at. Okay, and you can also see the breakup here. Now the trade fees on BitBNS currently is 0.25% for both buy and sell. So it will give you the corresponding breakups here. You can go ahead and verify that, and if you feel everything's fine, you can go ahead and click on buy. Else what you can do is, in this case, if I want to reduce my bid price per Stellar, so say if I want to go ahead and buy it at 26.11 0.05 for each stellar, you can automatically see that the breakup also changed. And if I go ahead and click on buy now, it will ask you to confirm your buy order, and if I click on yes, you can automatically see the trade that I just placed is listed here. Okay, so once my order or my volume and price matches with a seller who's ready to sell at the same price of what I have mentioned here or lower, that's when the trade will get executed. Until then, I can still see my trade here under your open orders. So this is where all my unexecuted trades will be listed. And you can still go ahead and cancel this trade and place a new one. So if I go ahead and click on this X next to the trade, it will ask you if you are sure if you want to cancel the order. If you click on yes, then I'll get my balance back into my INR wallet, and I'll go ahead and again enter the amount, and this time I'll go ahead and execute at instantly at the price that the seller is ready to sell. So the seller is ready to sell a stellar at 26.11 at for each stellar. So I'll go ahead and click on buy, and I'll confirm it, and you can see that the trade has been completed here. Okay, so if I go back to my wallets now, I can see the stellar balance here. So I had some 18 stellars before this, so the 38 stellars are credited into my stellar wallet. If I go ahead and select on stellar here under trade history, I can see the stellar orders that have been executed under my account. So if I want to go ahead and send stellar to my private wallet, I can go ahead and click on send, enter the address, enter the destination memo and the amount that I want to transfer, and click on send, and I can withdraw stellar into my private wallet. So that is it, guys. So that is how you basically go ahead and trade crypto on BitBNS. The same process can be followed for other cryptos as well. It's very much similar. And if you have any questions in regards to trading crypto on BitBNS, I would love to answer them. Please go ahead and leave your questions. So in the next video, I'll take you through the app interface of BitBNS, and I'll also show you how to go ahead and trade crypto on the app as well.